Hey all, so I've got to fit this wiper blade on my VW Crafter van. As you can see, I've broken it in the ice. I bought a new one, it's a Bosch, okay? Now, what you want to do really is take this bit off here, and you'll see in it the number, okay? Because when you get the Bosch, then you get a numbered part. So I've just pulled out part number 2, which looks like that. Doesn't look quite the same, but then it did break, so maybe that's why. What I need to do then is, you see you've got the number 2 piece, and I need to make sure, if you look on the blade, there's that arrow. Okay, so the arrow on the number 2 piece faces that, and then, let's see, it should click into place. Oh, I really don't want to break this. Oh, there you go. Okay, so that's clicked into place, and then it should somehow slide onto here. Okay, so a much easier way than in their instructional videos and guides is to do this, right? Hook it on the end here, and then bend that down. And then what you'll see, if I can get over, the tabs still sticking out. You're going to pinch on them and push them back. So pinch the tabs at the bottom and push. Now, I may need 2 hands to do this. But yeah, you can see the tab is still sticking out there. So I've got to get that in. And then it's almost on. It's got the end cap is in place. But I've got to get this lower bit in. So I'm just going to squeeze and push back. And again, I'm going to have 2 hands, but you get the gist, hopefully. Squeeze the tabs. So come down from the top, hook this round, then squeeze the tabs at the bottom and push them in. Let's see. Okay, so that did work in the end. I just had to, like I said, you come hook, forget what the video says, right? Hook the end cap on first. Get that as flat as you can along here. And then you're gonna pinch, you really need 2 hands, that's why I couldn't film, unfortunately. Pinch the bottom tabs, which again, keep going in and out of focus, I apologize. Pinch the bottom 2 tabs, and if you can, well, with the other hand, then press down on this, and it's in. We've got our wiper blade installed. My word, that was more palaver than I'd hoped, but it's up now. And now to wait for this snow and ice to go. But yeah, it's in. Right, hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching and bearing with me, being patient with the quality and the zoom and so on. But check out this video for more. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.